Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha. This is the Budget Mum UK. Today I am doing week 3 of my bill tracking and yeah, we're gonna see if we can get this under control. Come on in. Hi guys, my name is Samantha. I'm a mum to 2 children, a 14-year-old and a 2-year-old. I recently quit my full-time teaching job to go part-time to set up my own private tutoring business, do loads of side hustles and things that basically help to boost my income, including getting rid of a lot of debt as well. So I've just got shy of about £5,000 left, having paid off over £100,000 of debt. If you think you would like to go on that journey and you're looking stuff for free, like friendship, like ideas, like tips, like free videos, just like this one, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit on the little bell icon and join us because it is fab here and it's the best price of all, which is nothing. So if you're already subscribed, then of course you already know how much I love you and thank you. So week 3 for my bill tracker. Let's have a look how much money I have got this week. So I started off the month with 16425. I worked out all my bills for the month of 1148, and then I used that number and this number to subtract to find that for the month I had 61625, which I divided by 4, which gives me £154 each week. But I've rounded that to 155 just because I don't really work in change. I don't have any extra earnings because if you saw my video from yesterday, you'll know the extra money that I was going to use from sales of clothes, just about, I thought it was about £2,000 maybe, got put in the tip, literally thrown in the skip. Just to note, I didn't throw the stuff away. It was not me, just so we're clear on that. I'm not bitter. I'm not bitter. I'm not holding a grudge. I'm not upset whatsoever. Much, possibly. Anyway, let's have a look where my money's going to go this week. Before I do, I always like to look at the week ahead to see what I've got coming up. So today I'm working, Friday I'm working, Thursday we've got Alexander's Club in the morning, which is already paid for and budgeted for on my children's clubs here. Saturday, I have got something I'm doing on Saturday. I haven't done that. Let me put it down. My mum has bought us tickets, just me and her, to go and see the Addams Family in Manchester. So I'm going to go and see that in the afternoon. And then I have a friend who works on Coronation Street, and she's actually one of the costumer, that's she called, costumer, and I hadn't been able to get for a while, but she quite often gets me in. We normally go behind the scenes and meet the cast and everything else, but I've managed to pull a few strings. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try and get a room. I need to book that room. I've told my mum I've already booked it and I'm not. Shh, don't tell anyone. Do not tell my mum I've not booked a hotel. We'll end up camping. So I need to sort out a hotel. We've got tickets to go around the Corrie on Sunday morning, and yes, it's going to be a nice, relatively cheap weekend because actually the tickets that Mum managed to get, there was an offer on as well. They've not got it on now, but they were half price if you booked them before the end of, before was it like the 5th of April, whatever. So we got some really good seats for half the price, and yeah. And so a nice cheap weekend. So hotel, I'll probably have to find some food, but I knew I had all this money in my Town With Me wallet, because if you remember, I don't know if you've seen me before, but I counted up and I had surplus in my emergency and I put it in there with plans to go to Alton Towers, which we never did, so doing that instead. I've not had a night away from Alexander before. I know 2, but yeah, feels really surreal. A whole night's sleep. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm mostly excited about a full night's sleep. So sad. Right, so I know I've got to get that organised. So let me check my envelopes now and see where I'm up to. before I do that, it would help if I counted out my cash to make sure it's right, because I'm very good at getting that wrong. You know I am. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 1. 55 there. So again, I'm going to try, if I remember, to pop down exactly where my money's going before I do it. But what I want to do is check how much is left in my time with me envelope, because that might guide what I need to do. I haven't put it back in, I'm silly. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 150. Yeah, 150 is in there. I know a hotel I'm looking at easily 120, I should think, in Manchester. And then all I need to eat. So gifts I don't need anything in. Groceries, well, I'm going to need the minimum because my fridge and freezer is at the brim at the minute. But I am planning on doing an Aldi food shop. So if you think that's going to be of use to you, I'm going to be doing that on a budget. Let me know what kind of budget you want me to work to in the comments section. I can do it for a family of 4 people for £20, 25, 30. What would be a realistic and achievable budget for you to do that for a full week? Let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and do that for you. So I will. But then I'm thinking, if I do that, does that come out of my business expense effectively? I feel like it should do. I'm thinking now. Petrol, I'm going to be putting that in later today, and school doesn't need anything. So how much is in the petrol, because I know how much I need. 20, 40, 55, that's how much I know my tank is, that's okay. A minute. I'll put 55 in there. So basically the only thing I need to put some money in groceries and my time for me envelope. So let's go with a £30 budget for food, even though it's going to be coming from Aldi, and I know I only need the basics like milk and bread at the minute, some fresh food. I'll put 30 in. I'll decide. I might end up not spending all that. I might have a look to see if I can get that out of my business expenses if I'm making a video for it, if that makes sense. 30 in there, none in those ones, and then let's go with another 50. It's 150 already in there. I put 50 in. That's, you know, a bit of extra in case I haven't decided if I'm going to drive or get the train either. So just because the trains are so unreliable coming back from Manchester at the moment, they're on and they're off and then they're not, and you know, it looked like it might snow in 7 weeks, so we're going to take all the trains off. And then we can see about my other ones here. So I forgot. My emergency is full, so you can get a rest right now. Oh, let's see how much I've got left over. Why is my brain not working? Why is my brain not functioning? 75 is what I should have left over, because I put 80 in there. There we go. Emergency's full. I might leave Holly and Alexander's this week. My car insurance is full. Car repairs, I don't actually know how much is in there actually. I need to check that. Education. Oh, I'm still not heard off them. Don't know what's going on at all. Can't get hold of them either. It's rude. Debt, Holly, emergency, car. Let's leave these for this week. Yeah, I'm not actually, yeah, that's really bad, isn't it? I'm not putting anything in my sinking fund, but I'm going to put some in here. And the rest was debt. Let me see what I've got. Okay, I need to, let's get, because it's nearly Jess's birthday, so I do need to get some in there. Let's get those ones in. 20 in there. Like I said, I really would like to hit Let's hit like £100 for Lysa. Just realised this is making the black ink run off the challenge. Oh, I got 2 of them. So maybe I'll just do this so the black ink isn't running as much. There we go. It's that one. Then, sorry, just so you can see, I've got rainy day fund, relief for now, clothing, my 40th. Where's my supposed to be birthday fund over there? Don't know. Oh, it's Holly's. Is it? Yeah, it should be mine. Let's get a 10 in there because I'm hoping to do that. I want to do that around July. I have a half birthday party, just so we know. And then, because when it's my birthday at Christmas, nobody wants to do anything. We're all busy, etc. So, got that one done. All the 16th can hang off for now. New computer. Puzzle challenge. Or maybe do. Is there a 5 on the puzzle challenge? Yes, there is. There is a 5 on the puzzle challenge. I can do that one. There is. Let's go in there. I've still not 2 bank lines for £2 coin drop, but then the rest can go. I need to sort this file out. This is one of my jobs ASAP. The rest can go into my debt envelope, which is only 40 this week. But I've got that big night out, haven't I? So. Put it then £40 into debt. And all the rest has gone into my challenges. So almost 40, 60, 35 have gone in there. So that is £75. Still saved, doesn't it? It's still gone into, you know, towards something that I want. It's just been done in a more fun way. So that's us. Oh, bye. That's us all stuffed for this week. I hope you found it useful. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.